These three examples were done by working single crochet US or double crochet UK by inserting the hook into different place. In the first example, the stitches are worked by working the stitch into a stitch by inserting the hook under both loops. In the second example, the stitches are worked into front loop only, and the third example, the stitches are worked into back loop only. The same stitch, but outcome is different. You may also come across stitches that have lines under them. The darker line will mean that back loop only, and the lighter line will mean the front loop only. And of course, any designer can change the symbols and will specify what stitch it is. The traditional symbols are with a curved line at the bottom of the stitch, and the stitch with a curved line that looks like a smile is the front loop stitch, which looks happy because it is first, and the stitch that looks sad is the back loop stitch, which looks really sad because it is last. I think this will be easiest way to remember the symbols.